Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chemistry Mr. Briz channel. There's a really exciting resource on the channel which is going to really help with your performance in the upcoming exams. I really want students to do well, and a key part of that is understanding how to do chemistry calculations. In order to do calculations, you need lots of practice. One of my favorite sayings is repetition is the key to learning. So what I put together for you guys is a pack of chemistry calculations. There's a calculation an example of each calculation that's included in the specification. And then there are 4 or 5 examples in there with also some links to videos. And each video shows you exactly how to do the calculation. So if you're struggling, you can watch the video and then you can do the practice. And at the end of the resource, there is a answer booklet, again, showing you how to work these calculations out. So if you've already seen them, go on to the survival guide tab on the chemistrymrbridge.com website, and there's a booklet for each tier, so higher and foundation, and then you have got a booklet for the separate chemistry, triple chemistry, and you've got a booklet for the combined chemistry GCSE for the EdXL exam board. Well worth a drop, and I guarantee they'll support you with your learning.